Hey y'all, welcome back. So today you guys are going to be watching me do my sister's quick weave. The shampoo and conditioner that I'm using today is from BioSilk. I ended up getting a trio pack of the BioSilk products. It came with a shampoo, conditioner, and the serum. And I got the trio pack, I believe, for about $20 at TJ Maxx. It was really cheap. So if you guys want to try it, I think you should get it. I really like these products. And sorry for the 3 day hiatus. Your girl has been going through a big schedule change. So my daughter recently just started going back to school. She is 4 and it has been crazy. And I usually make these videos right after I get home from work, after I'm done putting her to bed and after dinner and everything. But your girl has been tired, so I could not be posting. But hopefully we can get this under wraps so I can start posting again. I'm beginning to start to braid out her leave out that I'm going to have out.
Too many sticks, we go to war with whoever ain't never been biased. Too many sticks, I was there, your ops, and none of them died. Pussy. Hold up. Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and sit on the edge of the bed? What? Texting emojis, tongue out, eggplant, bustin' went over her head. Catching my side of the studio, make him repeat what he said. Pussy. Yeah, let's have sex in the car. The Maybach came with a bar.
Now we're going to start with her braid down. So I'm going to braid down this braid and then I'm going to start another one and then I'm going to put the tail end of the previous braid into this braid so that each braid has a new end. So we only will have one once we get finished with all of the braiding. I hope that makes sense. So the easiest way to explain that, I just want everything to be one big braid conjoined together so that it will be easier to disguise one end of the braid instead of trying to disguise all the braids that's going to be in her head. After her braid down is done, I am going to put down this cap and then I'm going to put down this molding cap. This helps protect the hair from the hair glue that we're about to use for this quick weave today. The importance of having like the molding cap before like putting the glue on is to make sure that the actual glue isn't adhering to the actual hair. After when I let that dry down, I'm going to add my first weft and then I'm going to cut it, put some hair glue on it, and then place it again in the spot that I just measured and then blow dry it with cool air. And then I'll just continue with this process until I close in to our leave out.
She love me so much, it seems like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's because they live it to high.
Now I did do something a little different with this quick weave. Usually when I get towards the front, I'll just do my weft straight back. But this time I've curved them a little bit so that the bang will be banging, you know? Y'all can have a better visual here. Y'all see how I'm not doing it straight back. I'm curving it up as I go. I did that so that it will be like a better bang, because if I did it straight back, it wouldn't fall towards her face, and I felt like it will give us more coverage and her leave out will blend a lot better instead of me doing the weft straight back. And then for the people who may be wondering what type of hair am I using, I'm using Remy human hair and I'm using the brand Milk. The black hair is the Milk brand and then the blonde pieces are the Empire brand, and these are 14 inches, if I believe, 14 or 12, one of the two.
it's your time of the month. How? Make a distance, see how fast you go from the boot to a blunt. Listen, she say she hungry, I gave her dick for brunch. Send me my whole fee, I don't do back ends and fronts. No, 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 let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know. Whoa, whoa, yeah, look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seem like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it to hide. Hey, 4S13 stepping on shit to this pot.
Now I am going to add some layers to it. These scissors sucked. These are not my regular shears that I use at work. These are just beauty supply shears, which I wish I would have brought home my actual shears because I would have got a cleaner cut. But that's okay. She's my little sister. I can always go over there and fix her layers later because these scissors were dull as hell. So after when I get done with everything, I'm going to cut out this excess cap. Then I'm going to take out her leave out and use the Bio 6 serum. Now I use this on my mom and my sister and I really do like it. But my sister and my mom kind of have like a similar hair texture. So I want to try it on my hair next. So stay tuned for that because I have like a hair collab coming soon. So I can't wait to show you guys and give like a mini review. But yeah, I put the bio silk in and then I'm flattening her out. My sister is all natural. She doesn't have any relaxers, nothing. So when I say this serum works for natural hair, it works.
Your time of the month. How? Make a distance, see how fast you go from the boot to a blunt. Listen, she say she hungry, I gave her dick for brunch. Send me my whole fee, I don't do back ends and fronts. No, no.
Look how straight and shiny it's getting her hair. Look at that. Yeah. See, y'all see my sister knowing what to do. She was starting to shake her hair. That was cute. Now I'm going to finish her off with some flat iron curls and then yeah, I'm gonna just let y'all watch me curl her hair. If y'all want a tutorial on how to do flat iron curls, definitely let me know down below and I hope y'all enjoy this tutorial. Hold on, do y'all see that? Look at that. Don't my little sister look so cute? We had to get in better lighting because I have to show y'all that I ate this up. Yeah. I know my sister's so happy to have like a big sister. This looks so cute, so good. I ate this. All right, y'all. Bye.